improves workspace organization, boosts productivity, enhances ergonomics, and reduces neck strain. Today's video is about top 5 best dual monitor stands that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mounted Dual Monitor Stands. The Mounted Dual Monitor Desk Mount is a sturdy and highly adjustable solution for creating a more ergonomic and productive workspace. Designed for full motion flexibility, it allows effortless height adjustment, 180 degrees swivel for easy screen sharing, plus or minus 90 degrees tilt to reduce glare, and plus or minus 180 degrees rotation for switching between landscape and portrait modes. This makes it ideal for multitasking, coding, design work, or content creation. Constructed from durable steel and aluminum, it supports monitors from 17-inch to 32, up to 19.8 pounds each, and fits Visa 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 mm patterns. Setup is simple with both C-clamp and grommet mounting options included, along with clear printed in video instructions, perfect for home or office use. The built-in cable management keeps your desk tidy and organized. Backed by a lifetime warranty and responsive US-based customer support, this dual monitor arm offers reliability, flexibility, and long-term value for any multi-screen setup. Now our second product is Huanuo Dual Monitor Stands. This dual monitor mount is a dependable and ergonomic upgrade for any workspace. It supports monitors from 13-inch to 32, weighing 4.4 to 19.8 pounds, with Visa 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm compatibility, ensuring broad screen support. For installation, it's designed specifically for wooden desks between 0.59 inch and 3.54 thick, without crossbeams underneath, providing a secure and proper fit. Stability is a standout feature. The upgraded base with a larger platform and dual C-clamp design firmly locks the mount in place, preventing wobbling or slipping. A grommet mounting option is also included for added flexibility. The full motion adjustment enhances comfort, offering plus 85 degrees per minus 50 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation. With height adjustment up to 16.2 inch, it promotes better posture and reduces neck, shoulder, and back strain. By lifting monitors off the desk and incorporating cable management, it creates a clean, organized, and productive workstation perfect for work or gaming. Our third product is Acer Dual Monitor Stands. This dual monitor mount is an excellent upgrade for anyone looking to refresh and organize their workspace. Supporting 17 to 32 screens weighing 4.4 to 19.8 pounds with Visa 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 mm compatibility, it securely lifts both monitors off the desk, instantly creating a cleaner and more efficient setup. Ergonomics are a major highlight. With 360 degrees rotation, plus 90 degrees per minus 60 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, up to 18.1 height adjustment, and 21.25 extension, it's easy to find the perfect viewing angle whether sitting, standing, or using portrait mode. This flexibility helps reduce neck, shoulder, and eye strain during long hours of work or gaming. Installation is simple with C-clamp or grommet options for desks 0.59 3.15 thick, solid wood recommended. The gas spring arm, tested over 20,000 cycles, ensures smooth and stable adjustments. Multiple layout options and hidden cable management complete this sturdy, versatile, and modern workstation solution. Now number 4, Vivo Dual Monitor Stands. This dual monitor mount is an excellent solution for creating an organized and ergonomic workspace. It supports most monitors from 17 to 32, weighing 4.4 to 19.8 pounds each, with Visa 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. The flexible arms offer smooth tilt, swivel, and full rotation, while dual mechanical springs ensure effortless height adjustment by counterbalancing the monitor weight. This makes finding the perfect viewing angle comfortable and strain-free, whether for work, gaming, or creative tasks. Installation is simple and drill-free, with a heavy-duty C-clamp for desks up to 3.3 thick or an optional grommet mount for added stability. Constructed from steel and aluminum, it securely holds 2 monitors and allows tension adjustments to accommodate different weights. Step-by-step instructions and included hardware make setup straightforward. By lifting 2 monitors off the desk, this mount maximizes desk space, creating a cleaner, more efficient, and professional-looking workspace. And our last choice is Huanuo Dual Monitor Stands. The Huanuo Dual Monitor Arm is a premium solution for creating an ergonomic, organized, and productive workspace. Designed for monitors up to 32 inches and 19.8 pounds with VESA 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm compatibility, it provides stable and secure support, making it ideal for most standard screens. With an additional 17-inch extension, the monitors can be elevated up to 25.19 inches, allowing you to position screens at eye level for better posture and reduced neck and shoulder strain. Full motion flexibility, 90 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation lets you adjust viewing angles effortlessly, switch between sitting and standing positions, and reduce glare during long work, gaming, or content creation sessions. The mount helps maintain a sleek and clutter-free workspace with integrated cable management. Easy to set up using either C-clamp or grommet mounting, it fits desks 0.39 3.54 thick, wood or metal, and ensures stable, shake-free performance. Huanuo's trusted design combines durability, comfort, and aesthetics for an ideal dual monitor setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.